Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated drying racks. Whether you're debating whether it's preferable to air dry or machine dry your clothing, or simply want to preserve your finer textiles, the Best Clothes Drying Rack takes your laundry game to the next level while saving you money on your energy bill. Sure, you could hang wet leggings over the shower rod and damp sweaters over chair backs, but having the right clothes drying rack is a smart laundry item to have. To help you find the best clothes drying rack, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated drying racks available in the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the drying racks that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first drying rack on our list is the Foldable Garment and Clothes Drying Rack. This rack has a relatively small footprint compared with other racks in the market. It's prone to toppling if you hang things too heavily on only one or two sides of the arms, or if there is an earthquake. For its size, it measures 26 by 26 by 74 inches and weighs 5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Foldable Garment and Clothes Drying Rack a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 3-piece legs. There are 3 pieces to the legs which are very easy to put together and take apart for storage. Convenient wheels. It includes wheels that make it easy to move and rotate the rack. Various height options. The top level of the drying rack has a good variety of height options and plenty of space for hanging clothes. Stainless steel core. It has a stainless steel core that is sturdy and tall enough to keep your garments off the floor. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the middle section is quite difficult to close but not aggravating enough to send it back. The second drying rack on our list is the HOLDN Storage Store Clothes Rack. Unlike other hanging closet racks, this over-the-door drying rack is both expandable and collapsible. You can adjust from 17 inches, 20.25 inches, and 23.75 inches. As for the size, this clothes rack measures 17.36 by 3.9 by 1.65 inches and weighs 2.18 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HOLDN Storage Store Clothes Rack a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: easy to install. This drying rack hangs over the door and is ready to use right away. There's no need to drill any screws into the door and no assembly is required. Simply hang the hooks above the door, position the bar in the inserts on both sides, and adjust the length to your liking. Sidebars. Extra hangers can be stored in the sidebars, giving you a total of almost 38 inches of hanging space. Foldable. Simply lift the sidebars to fold them in when not in use, making them compact and hassle-free. Blends in with any decor. This drying rack can be hung over any doorway to keep coats and jackets, inside your bedroom closet door for extra hanging space, or used to arrange your clothing for the next day to escape the morning rush. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, there are no spacers included. The third drying rack on our list is the SmartSome Clothes Drying Rack. This drying rack has a drying area of up to 20 feet and folds up to take up very little storage space. It's taller than most other clothes drying racks, making it ideal for drying long garments, towels, or blankets. For the size, it measures 40 by 9 by 3.75 inches and weighs 9.08 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the SmartSome Clothes Drying Rack a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 7 strong adjustable rods. This dry rack can be used in 3 different ways thanks to its 7 strong adjustable rods. 3 different positions. It has 3 different positions, allowing both short and long clothing as well as towels and quilts to be dried. Compact sleek design. Its compact sleek design allows it to be stored with minimal space. Patented lock feature. The rods include a patented lock feature that prevents them from retracting accidentally. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not solar or wind powered. The fourth drying rack on our list is the OXO Good Grips Folding Sweater Drying Rack. Clothing can aerate with the OXO Good Grips Folding Sweater Dryer without stretching, losing shape, leaving impressions, or creasing, which makes it great for sweaters and blouses. As for its size, it measures 26 by 26 by 4.5 inches and weighs 1.04 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the OXO Good Grips Folding Sweater Drying Rack a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: compact. The legs of the dryer are offset from the corners to give optimum driving space, while yet fitting on compact surfaces like counters, washing machines, and dryers. Foldable legs. The legs fold in and the dryer folds in half when not in use for flat, compact storage. Easy to assemble. The drying rack is easy to assemble and fits snugly for optimal stability. Large mesh drying surface. It has a large mesh drying surface on which delicate objects can be laid out for quick and easy drying. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it takes some rearranging to keep them from flopping through. The fifth drying rack on our list is the CenYouful stainless steel laundry drying rack. This drying rack is made of metal, and metal clips are far more durable than plastic clips, so they won't crack or break like other plastic versions. It's suitable to hang drying small delicate items such as bras, underwear, socks, gloves, scarves, and more. For its size, it measures 16 by 5 by 0.6 inches and weighs 7.2 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CenYouful stainless steel laundry drying rack a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: large metal hooks. It includes large metal hooks in which you can hang the drying rack.